Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Summer School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Fashion School, Deshi. Dear student, you see, today our topic is Chapter 1, Creative Questions 1, Lecture number 42, HW number 41. Okay, at first you read the questions. In a garden, 36 trees were left excess while planting 1800 trees in a square form. Okay, this is the stem. Now A number question, what is the irrational number? Give an example. Okay, then B number question, find out the least number by which the number of trees is to be multiplied so that the trees can be arranged in a square form. C number, find out the number of trees in each row. Okay. What is irrational number? You write the number which cannot be expressed as a fractional form. The number which cannot be expressed as a fractional form is called an irrational number. Okay, example, suppose root 2, root 3, root 7, okay, are irrational. Root 2, root 3, root 7 are the irrational numbers. Okay. Now, B number question, find out the least number by which the number of trees is to be multiplied so that the trees can be arranged in a square form. Okay, right here, given the number of trees is 1800. Okay, right, then again divide 2, then 3, okay dear student. Now therefore two into 2 in 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. You see here 2 is without pair, but all the numbers, the rest of the numbers are pair. Okay, right here. Observe that all the numbers are pair, but 2 is only without pair. We observe that all the numbers are pair. You see this number, this number, this number, pair, but 2 is the only without pair. Okay. Now if multiply 2 into 2, 2 into 5. If we multiply 2 right here, if we multiply 2 by 2, dear student, if we multiply 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 by 2 by 2, then that will be a perfect square number. Okay, that means if you multiply this by 2, then you see this number also pair. Okay, so therefore the least required number, right? Therefore the required least number is 2. Okay, this is the answer, right answer 2. Okay, now I will solve the question number C. Okay, dear student, at first you read the question. Find out the number of trees in each row. Okay, find out the number of trees in each row. Look, in a garden 36 trees were left axis, while planting 1800 trees in a square form. Okay, right, 36 trees were left here. 36 trees were left. 36 trees were left excess while planting. The 36 trees were left excess while planting 1000 trees in a square form. Okay, right, the number of trees in each row will be the number of trees in each row will be the square root of subtract 4 trees. Okay, the number of trees in each row will be the square root of trees. That means 1764 trees. Okay, now we need the square root of 1764, right? 1064. 4 4s are 16. 7 minus 6, 1, 6, 4. Okay, 4 double of 4 is 8. Okay, now take 2. Here is 2. 2 to the 4. 8 to the 16. Okay, therefore the required number of trees. Therefore, the required number of trees in each row number of trees in each row is 42. Okay, right answer 42 plant of 42 trees. Okay, dear student, now we have to write the 42 trees. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see SW number 14, chapter 1, page 15, example 11. Okay, in page 15 this example is lies, and also the solution has given in that page. Okay, you practice from that page. Okay, dear student, you see page 15, example 11. Okay, also this solution has done in that page. Okay, dear student, your SN-SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy you will get your city marks, diary marks and SB marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, no more today. You have to keep practicing at home and avoid bad friends. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.